Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the most cutting-edge tech the world has to offer. Today we're about to witness the future of smartphones with a device that's going to change everything. Imagine the power of a computer, the finesse of a DSLR camera, and the speed of a high-performance gaming console, all wrapped into one sleek device. Sound too good to be true? Well, brace yourselves as we unveil the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the flagship that's setting new standards for 2024 and beyond. This is not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Let's get started with the features that will blow your mind. Samsung has always been a leader in design, but the S25 Ultra takes luxury to an entirely new level. Gone are the days of the boxy smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a seamless, curved-edge design that's not only visually stunning, but feels like silk in your hands. The aerospace-grade titanium frame adds that extra touch of durability while maintaining its ultra-lightweight feel. But let's talk about the real showstopper, the display. We're looking at a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED X Infinity display. Yes, you heard that right. X Infinity. This screen isn't just big, it's beyond anything you've experienced. With a 4K resolution, a refresh rate of up to 240 Hz, and 2000 nits of peak brightness, it's the most immersive display on any smartphone today. Watching movies, playing games, or simply scrolling through your favorite apps, everything looks incredibly sharp, smooth, and vivid. And with Samsung's Vision Boost technology, you'll get the best possible viewing experience, whether you're in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. What's a futuristic phone without next-gen performance, right? Well, Samsung didn't hold back. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Exynos 2500 chipset in some regions and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 9 Gen 3 in others. These aren't just fast. They're built for the future, with AI-powered neural processing units that make even the most demanding tasks feel effortless. We're talking up to 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM and up to 2 TB of storage. Need to run multiple apps, stream 4K videos, or edit photos in real time? The S25 Ultra makes it feel like a walk in the park. And for all you mobile gamers out there, this phone is a beast. Whether you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, or the latest in mobile VR, you'll experience smooth gameplay at the highest settings without a single frame drop. With adaptive game booster and vapor cooling technology, overheating is a thing of the past. Let's get to one of the most anticipated features, the camera system. Samsung has once again set a new bar for mobile photography. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a 250 megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you heard that right, 250 megapixels. This camera captures insane levels of detail, cut accuracy, and depth like nothing else on the market. But it doesn't stop there. The S25 Ultra's camera module includes a periscope telephoto lens that supports up to 150x space zoom, and with Super AU stabilization, zoomed-in shots are crystal clear, even when you're shooting handheld. For low-light photography, the Ultra Night Mode 3.0 makes every shot look as if it's taken in daylight. The combination of the massive sensor and Samsung's AI-enhanced nightography means you'll never miss a moment, even in pitch black. And video? We're talking 8K video recording with built-in AE cinematic mode. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action scenes or vlogging in 4K, every frame is sharp, stable, and simply stunning. Now, all this power means nothing if your phone can't keep up with your day, right? Samsung's got you covered. The Galaxy S25 Ultra packs a 6000 mAh battery that's optimized with AI battery management. Thanks to Samsung's AI, your phone learns your habits and conserves power when you don't need it. And when you do need a charge, you'll get from 0 to 100% in less than 20 minutes with super-fast 120W wired charging. Not into cables. The S25 Ultra supports 50W wireless charging and can even charge your other devices with reverse wireless charging. Power has never been more convenient. Software plays a huge role in how you experience your phone, and Samsung has completely outdone themselves with the One UI 6.0. Built on Android 14, it's smooth, intuitive, and packed with customization options. One UI 6.0 brings a new level of personalization, with dynamic themes, custom app icons, and even smart modes that adapt the phone's settings to your environment. Whether you're working, relaxing, or gaming, your phone automatically adjusts to give you the best experience. Samsung has also integrated even more AI-driven features into the S25 Ultra. The Smart Suggestions widget uses machine learning to offer you the apps, contacts, and tasks you need before you even ask. And with Bixby AI now smarter than ever, you can control your entire phone with natural language commands, hands-free. When it comes to connectivity, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is future-proof. It's equipped with 6G technology, offering speeds up to 10 times faster than current 5G networks. Whether you're streaming 8K videos, downloading massive files, or video calling, it's lightning fast. And with Wi-Fi 7 support, you'll experience ultra-low latency for online gaming, video calls, and virtual reality experiences. It's not just fast, it's the future of wireless communication. Your data is more valuable than ever, and Samsung knows it. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with Knox Vault security, offering hardware-based encryption to protect your sensitive information. From your biometrics to your banking info, you're covered. The phone also includes Private Share, which allows you to securely send files and photos with time-limited access, ensuring that your data stays in the right hands. You might be wondering, how much will this powerhouse of a phone set you back? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,399 for the base model and goes up to $1,999 for the 2 TB storage variant. With all the groundbreaking features packed into this device, it's a premium price for a premium experience. And pre-orders start this month, with the phone hitting stores globally by the end of the year. Whether you're a power user, a mobile gamer, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who demands the very best, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has something for everyone. This phone isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap into the future. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Drop a comment below and let us know what feature excites you the most. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.